Timoshe yenchen ha ye wo Honorable William Kofi Brafo. Yes, and them abuding nyina. Now Honorable was Lucius Casa. Nasro, many bro, was Lucius Casa.
Oh, David.
No be a lose election na be pe baby atena still ada so uprio.
Oh, say a man for no hia yen. Enti na esi bia na ye na na ye hu ne nen ye afi na ye ye bibia afi bia ye. So I think this is the second edition. Yeah. Na first one na ye no see ye the call all the schools no. So ye mo fra ne ne keke nti ni ame ye bia no meto aso. Enye sikasem. Enye sikasem. Yeguso.
No, after election we didn't first and so we obed ali so very relax ya my 6 months 7 months be. Na say cheze what the cheze is be body.
Oh, so say adwuman his impo na be kese. Nti ye retire nti nya hyase na afi nya hyase an nti enye hanko a ice cream no merehwe se ye betire mu akọ constituency ni nyina emu nti me panyinfo ewo electoral area ne especially assembly members no so reading komo obia obepese yemfa mra ne electoral area na yemfa meboa no na ye de aba beboa enye ice cream nko a health insurance renewal and new ni nyina ye be ni nyina and afi general health screening na kasa nso ebeba so I think say yimu ni ebitumi aye ye nga fam no e de aboa ye nga omanfo no nti yegu so ngakra we are not giving up and we've not given up nti ni aye bia na ye to aso until say nyamedie bi duru ba bia ye pese ye duru no beka say aha na mede wa ba besi ne de we continue to serve the good people of Akuapem.
We share dwumadi ase anopa we no fiti anopa na we share ase 8 a.m. ebesi sabri in Sugugu all right, but I came to meet people here. Inti mami Mr. How do you been here from the beginning? Now can today.
Oh, massive. We share obi aba ye register nansa ansa na wako akwa waniwa ansa na ne wom bia na omode ama em se wo ba ye no se ne yete no a me ba kra na nkrofo wa hadada ansa na me be hyehyɛ me oma no enti ekoso attendance ni good me je di say ebobo be 5 na ade na yetumi ahwe nipa dodo na and ne ye woman say we've had people coming from Ekropon, from Tutu, other towns so joining because you post bebre now so yeah, I think say yeah.
Honorable, one fans are what support through the election in business abri. As a was sorry, then I'll be catching home.
They should wake up on sorry, omra, obi an sorry. Baby obi a debi obi an sorry. And yeguso say my catcher won say won na shame in kuran. Na won na de me koi. Na ye koi no one way and the other no. Say na ye koi bia and we've accepted it. And no nche say nya ba mu abu. Nti obi a support me bia no adwuma bi esi ye bia no mama ye. And ye can say I was not looking for a position, but I was looking for an opportunity to work in the constituency. Nti enye position bi na mepe na maba beda so keke na mum na mepa akwanya se ne ebe ya metumi mwa bia ye nso bitumi di aboa constituency ni mu yetumi di aboa. Nti se menya enen ne kire se ne ye wo se meye no meye se ne medical aka no opahini bi obefrem ni titiro yewura samia oku abiri ni don bi obefrem bi ase mi kodi dwuma bi ama no medi de aboa wo constituency nti nya hyase no ye adwuma until we are not
Honorable, dwumadi di ye nya nte se ebi keka se na ebi we nkofu bi na ama uska na wo de ye ebi keka se Honorable Samia Oku na ama uska ye nya wo ha di ye be sere confirmation ade we found in Viva
me boto say obey den yen kakra na ye de aboa kakra na ye de aboa say obi kase obi na support na medwunu ho amenti ase you to medwunu to that extent but ne ye wo mu bia no kakra yen so last me can't say Mitchell say you don't need much to do much. Unhia bebre ansana ni awpese wo ye no watumi aye. So the little that you have, if you think say a bit to me aso biribi ano a, then you do it. Enti yang ho aboaboa kakra na ya aboaboa ye di guso ye. Na meka say bibia mekọ ye mehwe sika ekọ mu wo election ni mu a enwo se ebu mabem. Esanu say me so me assembly member or baby nti say me call constituency nim na sa nko yi a ne no nkyerɛ sɛ ne ɛwɔ sɛ me yɛ ma me manfo no me ntumi yɛ ma wo. The little that I have, I'll put them together to do whatever that I want to do. So if the nga yemboto kakra kakra yewura Samia Oku, he has been supporting one way and the other and oboayen nti bit to say street lights are ochina mebo street light. Okay. Mebo new street light. And dra menya akwanya coffee fair mu hu say baby no ewu ni ade ochina me yi ni nyina abobo ni nyina. That support is coming from Honorable Samia Oku. Enti me ma mani wu ewo say meka say asem esi na aboa me. And me ma mani wu ho dada. Na mu ni ame nso maboaboa me ho ameye no me ma mani wu nso say meka. Nti eno de me nka mfensie se Honorable Samia Oku na eboa me wo biribi ho a meka ama omanfo no so ehun say the man is also supporting. Now papa no rebon ho modern o chema no so bi aso na ebebe bi e wo say by electoral area bi na o chema no so bi aso. And I must say we have to be grateful to him na ye supporting won adwuma ya oye nyina. Yeah.
Yo, honorable, yeah, that's it.